Hello everyone, I am Ria, and today in a series of registering a business globally, we are come up with company incorporation in USA. Establishing a business in USA is a significant step for entrepreneurs worldwide with its dynamic economy, diverse market, and robust legal framework. Today, we will cover all the things about company incorporation in USA with Ms. Monisha Chaudhary, our partner at Enterslice, who has 10 years of experience in fintech, regulatory compliance, and startup advisory. So, ma'am, can you please explain us about company incorporation in USA and क्या legal formalities होती है वहाँ so that everyone needs to follow?
Yeah, when it comes to incorporating a company in USA, first of all, we need to decide upon the structure, whether it will be an LLC, it will be an corporation or a partnership. So once you are thorough with the structure you want to go ahead with, then you need to confirm upon the name with which your business will be registered. After name, you should check the availability of the name as well. Submit certain documentations like articles of association of the entity and other relevant documents as specified. Then you pay the prescribed fees, and after that your company or your LLC or corporation gets registered. With that also comes an important thing about the state in which you want to get your LLC or corporation registered. So deciding upon a state in US where you want your entity to be registered is another major thing.
Have you ever thought about starting your own business in USA and like किस type का business आप start करना चाहते हैं वहाँ if you have option?
Yeah, yes, I have thought about launching a tech-based startup which will be focused on developing environmental friendly technologies towards sustainable development and management. So since there is a growing demand for sustainable energies and the related things, so definitely I would like to do something in that field, and I guess US is a good market and good place to launch such a business.
Okay. So, tell me, like, what are the some biggest challenges people face when they're starting the business in USA?
Yes, registering a business in United States has its own tough parts as well. So once you decide upon the business, what you need to do, you need to understand whether there is a market, whether there is a demand for that business over there, and plus with demand comes the execution. You need to be very good in planning, execution, and willing to adapt as when your business grows. So even if you are having the money and you don't know how to manage it, you don't have right people to manage it over there as well, it is completely waste. So a good planning and determination will be required throughout the process. Plus, another thing which I would like to mention is that different states in US have their own rules and regulations. So once you decide that in which state you want to register your business and carry on your activity, you need to be very well versed with the rules and regulations of those states, including the tax complications as well.
Just if we already know that there are 50 states in USA. So like which state do you suggest to incorporate the business?
I would definitely suggest to choose Delaware as a part of your company registration in US because of some of the benefits which Delaware holds for a foreigner to incorporate in USA. First of all, the rules and regulations of Delaware are quite easy to understand. Secondly, it is a tax-friendly state. You need to pay much lesser taxes in Delaware as compared to other states in US, which will definitely lead you save a lot of money. Third, there is less paperwork. While registering a company, the most difficult part for an entrepreneur is to get into the hassle of the paperwork and all. So that is quite less in Delaware. And fourth, but most important thing is respect of your privacy. So Delaware definitely respects privacy of the entrepreneurs and does not requires you to submit a lot of information, internal information about your business. So definitely, I would say one should definitely go for a Delaware while registering a company in US.
So, ma'am, tell me, what are the good and not so good things to starting a limited liability company compared to a corporation?
Okay, so you are asking the difference between registering an LLC or a corporation in US.
Exactly.
Yes, definitely both have their own perks as well as disadvantages as well.
Hmm.
When you are starting a small business, I would definitely recommend you to go for an LLC because of the less paperwork, obviously. Then the taxes are also minimal. You don't need to disclose much to the authorities, and as well as there is a personal protection of the shareholders property in case of LLC. So
Okay.
the your property is not attached with the company's property, so it is quite a good appropriate option for a small business. But when it comes when you want to grow your business, you want some bank loans, you want credibility, then definitely some businesses prefer INC, which is a corporation kind of entity. Then you can move out to C Corp in that case. So choosing between an LLC or a corporation totally depends upon your growth plans, your business goals, and your decisions regarding the management and taxability.
So my last question is how Enterslice can help out people to incorporate the business in USA, and what are the advantages?
Yeah, so we at Enterslice help businesses register their entity in United States in a completely simple and hassle-free manner. Not only the registration process, before registration we provide completely guidance on what kind of entity should be chosen based upon the business of the client. Thereafter, which state should be chosen. So right from the pre-incorporation requisites, we help in the incorporation and post incorporation activities as well, like bank account opening, managing the compliances, and all the associated activities. So with Enterslice, you just need to focus on your business and we'll take care of all the compliance related activities.
Those who wants to expand their business globally and who wants to incorporate their business in USA, reach out to Enterslice today. Visit www.enterslice.com or give us a call today.